All right, find the product of 220 and 4. So that means to multiply. I've written my equation right here. I decided to do it with the area model. 4 goes on this side. I broke up 220 into 220. So 4 times 200 is 800. 4 times 20 is 80. Add those together. It's 880. Number 2, 400 divided by 5. Here's my equation. What I decided to do is I took a 0 off for a second and I said 40 divided by 5. I know that's 8 because I know 8 times 5 equals 40. So if I just put the 0 back on, then I just need to add a 0 on the end of 8 to make 80. One way you can double check your answer is by multiplying. So does 80 times 5 equal 400? Well, 8 times 5 is 40. With the 0, that's 400. So it's correct. Number 3, so 3,850 times 5. The 5 goes over here. 3,000 is here. 840. I don't need to put anything here. I could put a 0, but I don't need to. So this box was done for us. 800 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. And then I have 1, 2 zeros. 5 times 40. 5 times 4 is 20. And put the 0. So then I'm adding all of those partial products. And my answer is 19,200. On number 4, we're going to select all the expressions that equal 25. I covered it up because I wanted to show you how I went through each one at a time. 500 divided by 5 is 100, so that's not it. 600 divided by 3 is 200, so that's not it. 100 divided by 4 is 25. Think of like 4 quarters would be 100 cents. So that one. 150 divided by 5, nope. And 200 divided by 8, I wasn't sure right away by looking at that one. So what I did was use the known equations. 8 times 20, 160, I'm getting closer. And then I kept adding 8s, 8s, 8s until I realized when I got to 8 times 5, it did equal 200. So those are the 2 answers. And the last one, if we are estimating, we are rounding. So I decided I was going to estimate 19 is close to 20. So 53 times 20 will give me a good estimate. So I took 53 plus 53 2 times. I got 106. And then I had to put the 0 on the end because it wasn't 53 times 2, it was times 20. So 1,060 is a close estimate. You could have also estimated, you really could have done 50 times 20. It wouldn't have got you as close. That would be 5 times 2 is 10. With 2 zeros is 1,000. Okay, so you should have somewhere around these answers for an estimate.